So with the motion filed in federal court in California by Team Stormy, do you think the move is it a total stunt from Avenatti, or does this truly get Trump closer to seeing the inside of a courtroom?
Look, what's going to happen, my prediction is what's going to happen, they're going to compel arbitration. The federal judge is going to grant the motion to compel arbitration. They're going to go over to probably ADR, which is a local LA dispute resolution place. That judge is going to impose sanctions under the arbitration agreement, and Stormy Daniels is going to have not only to pay back the money that she got, but she's probably going to have to pay some amount of money for violating the agreement. I mean, I just don't think that there's a whole lot here. And at the same time, what I think you see is happening is, I have to give Trump credit, President Trump credit. His ratings are going up. His approval ratings are going up. And it does remind me of Bill Clinton. The more they went down the sexual road in the 90s, the higher his approval ratings went.
Why do you think that is?
I think it's because most people vote I think that most people are more concerned with other things, especially in this case where she's come out and said that it was a consensual relationship. She's not a victim, and most people don't understand why we're dealing with something like this 13 years after the fact. Then you take a look at that 60 Minutes interview, and it reminded me of Geraldo in the vault. I mean, there was nothing there. So
we haven't talked since that interview. Did you think it was a nothing burger? What did you think?
I mean, look, that supposed threat in the parking lot 7 years ago. Give me a break. Come on. The whole thing was. Look,
you don't believe it? You don't believe her?
I'm sure that she probably thinks that there was a threat. I mean, the idea that somehow that 7 years later is going to mean anything is I'll just be charitable with it. There was nothing to it, and the whole thing, I think, is borders on the ludicrous.
Wow. Okay. Mark Geragos and Joan Biskupic on Stormy, and going back to Clinton in the 90s. Guys, thank you so very much.